Right now, I'm using my channel to book 1 to 3 sales calls every single week. And the people that are booking into my calendar, I'm not seeing them in my comments. I'm not seeing them like or subscribe. They're just watching my content silently and then scheduling into my calendar. And at the time of recording this video, today's July 3rd, I have 2 more sales calls on my calendar, and they're there as the result of me recording these videos. I don't have any crazy views, no fancy edits, just simple content that speaks to people exactly where they're stuck. And that's the shift most founders and coaches never make. They keep trying to impress viewers instead of actually closing them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do something I call the 3C system, which is clarity, conviction, call. And if you've ever been posting consistently but waking up to an empty inbox, or if you get a bunch of likes and comments but no one's ever asking to work with you, or maybe you do get people who are interested but the lead quality is absolutely piss poor, it's not your delivery, it's not the algorithm, it's your structure. You're posting like a teacher, and clients don't buy when they're educated. They buy when they feel seen. And right now, your content is probably making them smarter, but not more ready to buy. And here's what most people never actually realize: valuable content is not what converts, clarity and conviction do. So if you're a coach, founder, or agency owner, tired of being consistent with no pipeline to show for it, watch this video all the way through, because I'm going to walk you through my 3C system and show you how to build content that quietly books premium calls. So let's jump into exactly how it works. It's a 3-part framework, 3C system that we just talked about: clarity, conviction, call. And every video we create and every video that actually converts follows this flow, whether it's obvious or not. And step one is clarity. So obviously, we don't want to generalize. We want to be brutally specific. What exact friction is your buyer feeling? You don't want to say something like, hey, you're not getting leads. You want to say something more like, you're posting daily and it's still a ghost town in your inbox, or you've got traffic, but nothing's converting, or you're educating and getting nothing back. You want to speak to the position someone's actually in and then hit them in that pain that they can actually relate to. And if you're getting traffic, like right here, and you're getting no conversions from it, that means your packaging and targeting are probably good. I'd have to look at your content to say for sure. And most likely, you just need to implement this 3C strategy into your content. Now, step two is conviction. Here's where we shift their belief completely. This is not about teaching tips, it's about helping them see the real reason that they're stuck. So, what I like to do, like the first video I create for my clients, is at the top of funnel being problem aware. We like to meet our buyers at their problem and then tell them why they're having that problem and how to naturally get out of it. So, for example, you're optimizing for views, not trust. You're providing value, but no one sees you as the fix. Or you're posting like a YouTuber, not a closer. The right belief shift creates conviction, and conviction is what moves people. And to circle back on optimizing for views and not trust, social proof is extremely important. Right now, we are in a trust recession. Someone can steal your advice, steal what you say, but they cannot steal your proof. So having social proof is extremely valuable to leverage in all of your content to help build that trust and build more conviction in what you're actually talking about. Now, step three, the last step in the framework, and I'm telling you guys, this framework is extremely simple. Anyone can implement it and see results after a few videos of being consistent. So step three, going for the call. Not a hard pitch, just a logical next step. If you've done the first two things right, then your viewers are already leaning in. You just need to show them where to go, like book a call, DM you, watch the next video, no push, no selling, just a clean door for them to walk through, or as some might say, a bridge from their problem to you as the solution. And now a lot of people get to this part and fail. And the reason for that is because they didn't pre-handle any objections in their content. And if your content is done the right way, then it's easy. And if you work with me, we figure out all of your objections and embed them into each script like a soft call to action. Like, let's look at one of my past clients here, Adrian. He's under 300 subscribers, great content with a lot of value, but no leads. We reworked 3 videos using the 3C system, and a few weeks later, he closed over 5K directly attributed from the videos we worked on together. All he had to do was stop creating for attention and value and start building trust. And if you want to go watch that video, the interview I did with him, it's on my channel right now. You can go click onto my channel, go watch that. So guys, this is a short video because the framework is that simple and easy. Every video you create should become a tiny sales call. When someone watches 2 or 3 and thinks, this person gets me, they have the fix, you don't need to convince them. You just give them the call. You let them know where they can book in. If this is something that's resonating with you, then let's fix it. This is exactly what I help with. I work with founders, coaches, and agency owners who want every single piece of content to move someone closer to buying. Click the link below. Let's talk. Worst case scenario, I can't help you, but I can point you in the right direction. The best case scenario, we turn your content into a closing system that runs on its own. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.